Hey, welcome back, guys and gals. Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing. Just went and done a little Family Dollar and a little Dollar General hunting. See what we can find. See what we got at the Family Dollar. Now we got a twin mill. And we got the new 71 Plymouth GTX. Got the new little Toyota Supra tune car. Looks like we got the brick and motor. Got the Road Bandit. The 2024 Carbonator. We got the little 1956 Barbie Corvette. Got the Tesla Model Y. Got the 84 Mustang SVO. And last from the Family Dollar, got the 76 Chevy Chevette. I like these little Chevettes. Let's see what we got out of Dollar General. Got the Dodge Viper RT10 convertible. Got the 64 Chevy Chevy Nova wagon. These wagons are cool too. Got a Porsche 911 Carrera 2.7. The Shelby GT500, which also comes on a Super Treasure Hunt. And we got the Barbie 2024 GMC Hummer EV. Got that 65 Mercury Comet Cyclone gasser. Got the 55 Chevy Bel Air gasser. Tri-5 Terror. And we got the 70 Pontiac Firebird. Pretty cool. And we got the Porsche 935, which also comes in a Super Treasure Hunt, which I haven't found yet. And then last, we got the trouble decker. Not the double decker, but the trouble decker. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the little video. Just wanted to show you what I got off the pegs today. Check out my other videos at 164 Scale Racing, please. We'll see you later. Bye.